Get the Cartesian product of a series of lists. How can I get the Cartesian product, every possible combination of values, from a group of lists? Input. Desired output. One common application for this technique is to avoid deeply nested loops. See avoiding nested for loops for a more specific duplicate. If you want a Cartesian product of the same list with itself multiple times, itertools.product can handle that elegantly. See operation on every pair of element in a list or generating permutations with repetitions.
Use itertools.product, which has been available since Python 2.6. This is the same as
for Python 2.5 and older. Here's a recursive version of product, or just an illustration. Example.
I would use list comprehension.
With itertools.product.
Cartesian-product.